Hello there, good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into the Stemclass platform of STEAMCUBE and how to navigate the Stemclass platform. In today's discussion, I will also show you the user profile, how you can, change your name, and how can you set a new picture of yourself as your user profile. Right, so let's get started on this. So you can use any of your favorite browsers. Here I'm using my Firefox, and you can navigate in the address bar. You can say https stemclass.steamcube.in. The enter button, you'll be presented with the login screen, with the sign in screen. You can type in your username, and you can type in the password that you had set during the initial setup. Click on the login screen. You will be presented here with this particular window wherein you can see a greeting, and you will be landing onto the home page. And if you see on the right hand side, you have the avatar button here. You can click on this avatar button. Either you can do the view profile, or you can click on the logout to close your session. Right? Once you click on logout, it will ask for a confirmation whether you want to log out or not. If you click on the yes, it will log out of the screen and it will return back to the sign in page. If you click no, it will continue with this, and you can continue on our courses. Again, if you click on this view profile button on the link, you will see a link of yours giving you your first name, your last name, and your username, right? And the gender that is provided out here. Now, if you see, we have a blank avatar icon here. You can click on the edit profile link here, where it will be presented with the changes that you want to do. You can change your first name, middle name, last name, or the gender. And you can also upload an image of yours, of your liking, right? We support both PNGs and JPEG images. You can click on this upload button. You'll be presented with the browse window, where you can select and navigate to any of the window and navigate and select any of the pictures of your choice. Please note it is only the PNG and the JPEG images that will be supported, and it should not be more than 2 megabyte in size. So you can click on this, select the select button or the OK button. You can just click on the update. It says successfully updated, and you'll be able to see the profile image of yours. You can then click on this close button. You will also see the change happening here in the avatar icon on the right hand side. Right. So that's on the user profile. The next section, what you have to do is you can see on the left hand side, we have a menu items, home page, curriculum, courses, projects, internship, products. For the current STEAMCUBE Ambassador program, we have the courses enabled for you. You can click on the courses link. It should navigate you to the courses page. And if you see here, in a very simple mechanism, we have given just one particular easy choice where you can select the topic that you want to explore. Now, how do you have to use this in a menu option mechanism, right? You have to uncollapse this menu items using this arrow buttons. If you see here, so you can click on this left arrow button. It will uncollapse that particular topic or that particular subject. Then you have the chapters that are listed out here, competency microcontrollers, which is our current program, ambassador program. You can click on this the icon on the left icon here, so it uncollapses the next section. This is the current topic, and if you see, we have multiple topics listed out here. Right, you can just scroll down. You can see all the multiple topics that are listed here. And what you can do is you can uncollapse this one. And if you see here, we see a leaf level node or the leaf item here. This is the particular topic that we are interested in. So you have to uncollapse to the last level to select the topic that you want. Once you click on this, once the content is completely loaded, you can see that the click here to start learning button is enabled. Otherwise, it won't be enabled. You can click on this button, click here to start learning. It will give you a pop-up in which the content of that course is being loaded, and you are presented with this. Now, either you can use this close button on the right hand side top to close this. If you're interested, you can click again. It will pop up the same thing and wherever you are left over. And if you see, there are some learning outcomes and learning objects that will go in. Now, to navigate this particular window, we are presented you with the next and the previous buttons. So once you click, once you have read through, you have understood all these topics, all these items, you can click on the next. You will be going to the next screen of the content. In the same way, you can also navigate back with the previous button, or you can navigate to the next. You can click on the next. The content here, if you see, here if you see, there's a video coming up. This is the first video of this particular course. And if you can click on the play button to play it, or you can pause it at any moment and you can just go to the complete details of the video. We also have subtitles for this, so you can go through that. And to maximize or put it to full screen, you can click on this full screen icon on the right hand side bottom. Once you click on it, it goes in the full screen, right? You can click on the next. Now, here we present you with some questions and answers that we want you to provide us with. You can read through the questions and provide your answers out here, right? In the initial load, it will be completely blank here, right? And here, if you see this is a multiple choice question, you can click on any of those multiple choices, only one of them gets selected. If you click here, you can edit to answer the question. Now, if you want to have a little bit of formatting done, what you can do is you can click on this enable rich text um, toggle button. You will see a rich text toggling mechanism is enabled here. You can make something bold or can give some other items out here. But for a simple answers, you can just keep it in the default of not enabling the rich text. Once you're done that, what you can do is once you have given all the concerns, you will be able to see the submit answers here. Once you are done with all your questions and answers, once you are confirmed that you are okay with it, then you can click on the submit answers. It will be saved in the backend and it will be sent to the facilitators, all the instructors for review. Once you submit it, you will see a pop-up saying your answers has been added successfully. You can click on the next. You will be in the next screen, you will be presented with some of the hands-on activities. The instruction on all those will be given the by your instructor and facilitators. Then you can click on the next. Once you are once you re reach here, it says you have almost completed all the course materials. And then to flag that or to show to us that you have completed your course for that particular topic, you need to click here to say the learning is complete. If you do not click here, then the session continues and you will not be able to notify us saying the session has been completed. So please do note you have to click here to say the course is completed. Right? Once you click here, you'll say you will get this badge saying the successfully completed learning, and then you can close this icon. Right? And if you want to continue into a different course, you can again come here, then uncollapse or collapse which topic that you want. Right? You go to a very leaf level, click on it, the new content gets loaded here, and you can continue with that particular step. Once you're done and you're happy with all the content, you can revisit the content. We have enabled that feature for you, so there's no problem with that. You can continue with all the other courses and all the other topics of it. Once you're done with today's learning, what you can do is you can click on this avatar icon and click on the logout button. You can just say yes, and it logs out and presents you with the sign-in page. That's about the navigation of the STEM class platform. Thank you and happy learning.